Hi, welcome to the video. I'm Dean Vera, and today in this short video, I just decided to make this because I saw this particular sign here in Manila. And the sign says, in Tagalog, it says, Bawal magtapon basura dito. Or in English, please don't throw your trash here. And it was supported by a local ordinance. And I just got to think, is that the symbol or the sign of our society today? Do we need to be told not to throw the trash in the streets? Do we need a law, an ordinance, to tell us not to throw the trash? What does that tell us? Have we downgraded ourselves that we need a law to tell us where not to throw the trash? I think as a society, as a people, I hope tend to be clean, or at least take care of our surroundings. Yes, trash is something we need to throw away. But I think in today's age, in 2023, we need to protect our environment, we need to protect our own location. And I think we should be disciplined enough to not to throw the trash in the streets. I think we can do better than that. And though it's a weird thought, I know, but just think about it. We need to be told where not to throw the trash. I think we know ourselves where to put it, where to throw our trash. And we should be disciplined enough to know where to put the trash. So, I know it's a weird connection, but I just got to think, why do we need a sign to tell us not to throw the trash in the streets? So I hope guys watching this video makes you think, makes you aware of some laws are good intentions, but nevertheless show the ills of society where we have to throw trash by law. That's it for now. More videos to come this way. If you have a chance, please like this video, share it if you can, and if you haven't yet, it's not cost a thing, please subscribe to the channel. Again, it's not what you know, it's what they don't. Stay cool, guys.
Hi, please do me a favor and smash that like button. It'll help me a lot and it will trigger the YouTube algorithm. Now, if you have not yet, please subscribe to my channel. If you don't, my dog will eat this exam booklet and that student has to repeat his final exam again.